Good morning, Jr.4. Hope you are okay. And today we are going to talk about comparative and superlative. Okay, actually, what's the meaning of comparative? Comparative is when you compare two persons or two places or two things. When you compare one to one. Okay, for example, I have two boys. I have Ahmed and Ali. Ahmed is tall and Ali is short. And I want to compare between them. So I will say Ahmed is tall, Ali is short. Okay, I want to compare between them in one sentence. So I will say Ahmed is taller than Ali. I add to the adjective, I add to tall, er. Then I add than. So the rule is adjective plus er plus than. For example, Sally is short, Molly. Our rule adjective, then er, then put than. So I will add er to short and then. So it will be Sally is shorter than Molly. Another one. Cairo is hot, Alexandria. Okay, I will add er to the adjective and then. But hold on, we have CVC, so we must double the last letter before adding er. So I will double letter T, then er, then. So it will be Cairo is hotter than Alexandria. Another example. Cello is heavy, triangle. But here we have y at the end of the adjective and before it consonant. So we must cross y and put I. Then er, then than. So it will be cello is heavier than triangle. Okay, now concentrate on this one. Gold is expensive, silver. And our rule is add er to the adjective, then than. So it will be gold is expensiver. Is it right? It's not right. It's totally wrong. Here we have, in our adjective, we have more than one syllable. What's the meaning of syllable? Syllable is when you pronounce the vowel letter. Like when we said hot, we have only one vowel, hot. Okay, tell you another thing. We are going to clap to know the syllable. Okay, hot, hot. Can I say t? It's hot. So it has only one syllable. What about expensive? Expensive. Expensive. So we have 3 syllables. So in this case, we are going to put more before the adjective, then the adjective, then than. So it will be gold is more expensive than silver. Concentrate on this rule. So the other rule is more plus adjective plus than. If we found more than one syllable in the adjective, like beautiful, 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 it has more. And now we are going to talk about superlative. What's the meaning of superlative? Superlative when you compare one to more, when you compare a person to the rest, a place to other places, okay, a thing to other things. And superlative comes from super. For example, Ahmed is the tall boy in the school. So in the superlative, I will add er like in comparative? No. In superlative, we are going to add est to the adjective. And don't forget before the adjective, the. So it will be Ahmed is the tallest boy in the school. So our rule, the plus adjective plus est. Okay, Sally is short girl in the class. Okay, our rule, the plus adjective plus est. So it will be Sally is the shortest girl in the class. Cairo is hot. So I will put the before the adjective, then est, but here CVC. So we will double the last letter. So it will be Cairo is the hottest. Another one. Cello is heavy instrument. And here we have Y at the end of the adjective. So I will cross Y and put I. So the answer will be cello is the heaviest instrument. Okay, the last one. Gold is expensive thing in the shop. Okay, here expensive, it has more than one syllable, like expensive. So in this case, we are going to put the adjective as it is, but before the adjective, we are going to add most. So it will be gold is the most expensive thing in the shop. So we have another rule, the plus most plus the adjective as it is. Okay, we have three more adjectives, but these adjectives we can't add to them er or est or more or most. We have good, bad, and far. Okay, good in the comparative will be better than. In the superlative, the best. So good will be better, best. Okay, bad in the comparative, worse than. In the superlative, the worst. So bad, worse, worst. Far in the comparative, it will be farther than or further than. Both are correct. In the superlative, the farthest or the furthest. Both are correct. So one more time. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Far, farther or further. And farthest or furthest. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed our lesson, and don't forget your homework in the grammar booklet. See you.